Hi, Huyen.
Hello, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Oh, how are you today?
Very happy.
Oh, very happy. Okay. So now, oh, I love your hairband like teacher. See? You have the same. Oh, teacher. Okay. Yeah, it's so cute. Oh, you have many. So what did you do today?
I'm good.
Oh, what did you do? You go to school?
No.
No class? So where did you go? You go to the mall?
Yes.
Wow, really? You go to shopping? You shop?
No.
Oh, what did you do in the mall?
Mom.
Yeah, in the supermarket.
Um. I bought some toys.
Oh, wow, really? Oh, and you eat. You eat.
Yes.
Wow, that's great. Okay, now here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Phải học. Kimochi là cái gì? Ngọc bắt đầu phải đi học. Kimochi là Kimochi. Ngọc chơi nhá. Ngọc ơi, cái đoạn này nè.
Okay. Okay, where's Huyen? For a while, Huyen. Okay, here. Okay. So we have here, Huyen. We are now on Unit 29D. Okay. The title is Our Town. Okay. Yeah. Oh, look at that one. Okay, for a while. Okay, so we have here our town. Okay, can you see what is in the picture, Huyen? What is in the picture?
It's a city.
Wow, it's a city, teacher. Okay, this is a big town. Yeah, look at that one. The name of the town is Blueberry. It's the Blueberry town. Yeah, again, Blueberry.
Blueberry.
Yeah, it's a blueberry town picture. Okay, so you will have to choose and circle the complete or the answer that will complete the story. Okay, choose and circle the answers that will complete the story. Okay, what answers will complete the story? You will have to choose and circle. Okay. Okay. Now here Huyen, let us have this. Our town, Blueberry. Okay. Our town, okay,
Okay.
is or big. What is the answer? Is or big? You pick here. S or R? Town.
Is.
Very good. Let's see your answer, Huyen. Oh, what's that? Oh, here. Okay. Okay, here. Look at this one. Yeah. The answer here, okay, teacher will be the one to answer. The answer here, Huyen, is letter. It is S. Okay. Why it is S, teacher? Why? Why it's S? Why your answer is S?
Because
Because
is one only one
only
town.
one town. Very good. Because only one town. Okay. Only one town.
Bảo vệ ông là chị
Okay,
không chị.
here. Next. Number 2. Can you read number 2? There are a town hall.
Yeah.
There is or are a town hall. What's your answer? Go, Huyen.
Or what does it mean?
There are a town hall. This is the town hall. Maybe this is the town hall. What is your answer? Is or are?
Is.
Okay, very good. S, because there's only one town hall. Okay? You understand?
Okay.
Okay, you understand, Huyen?
Yes.
Okay. Town is only one. Okay, that is why it's S. Town hall is only one. That is why S. Do you understand, teacher? Do you understand?
Yes.
If only one, we will answer S, Huyen. If many, R. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. It is a round building. Oh, look at this. Look at this one. Round building. There is are a bank. Ngân hàng. Okay. There is are a bank. Okay. Bank. How many bank?
Bank.
Yeah, bank. There is are a bank.
Bank.
There
Where
is.
is the bank?
Okay, the bank is here. Oh, wait for it. Maybe the bank is here. It is black building. Maybe the bank is here. We don't know here. Maybe this is the bank. Oh, let's see. Example, this is the bank. There is a bank. How many bank? Look at bank only. It's not banks. Huyen. There is our bank.
There is.
What's the answer?
There is.
There is a bank. Yes, very good. Only one. That is why bank. S. Okay, Huyen? We are
Okay.
talking only one bank. S. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Another. It is a black building. There are cars and buses. What's your answer? Answer. There are cars and buses.
There is.
Okay. Cars and buses.
Is.
S or R? Cars
Is.
and buses. Many, Huyen, many. Okay, what is the answer?
Are. There
Okay.
are.
Okay, the answer is are. There are cars and buses. Cars are many. There is S. Cars. Buses, many. Buses. Do you understand, Huyan?
Yes.
Okay, we use R. Look at this one, teacher. We use R because many cars. There is S. Many buses. Okay, Huyan?
Okay.
Yeah, you understand this? You understand this, Huyan?
Yes.
Okay, very good. They are red, yellow, and green. Oh, where is the red? Oh, I saw the green cars. Okay, green cars. Where are
Red.
the other cars? I didn't see.
Red.
Oh, there's a blue. Okay. And also
Red.
there's a red. Okay.
Red.
Okay.
Red. Red.
Yeah. So those are the cars and the buses. Do you understand?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Now let's move here.
No.
Okay, Huyan, next. Okay.
Đây mà ơn.
Okay, for this
Em đây
one.
mà.
Okay, look at this one. Okay.
Okay.
Check true or false. True if it's correct. False if it is wrong. X. Okay? Okay, Huyan? Okay, Huyan?
Okay.
Okay.
Ta làm nha.
Okay, number one. There is a bank. Yes or true or false? There is a bank. True or false? Very good. Let's see the answer. Here. The answer is true. There is a bank, right? Number two. Can you read number two?
Four.
The cars are black. The cars are black. True or false?
Four.
Very good. It's false. The cars are blue, green, and red. There is no black cars. Huyan, no black cars. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next. Number three.
Nó xong thì phải đóng đủ lại.
Number three, Huyan. The round. The round. Yeah. Can you read, please? Read.
The round building is the tower.
Okay. The round building is the town hall. Again.
The round building is the town hall.
Yeah. Hall.
Hall.
Okay.
Hall.
True or false?
True.
Yay. Yes, it's true. That round building is town hall. Yay. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, good job, Huyan. Next one here. Look at this one. Okay. Flip the coin. Put your coin. Okay.
This is a circle.
Okay, here. Put your coin in the city circles. Match the building with its name. Write the number in the box. Okay. Where is the post office? Can you give me the number of the post office?
Yes.
Where is it? What number?
Post office.
Yeah, can you give me?
Post office.
Okay, it is a place where you will send letter. There's a mail. Okay, can you see the mail?
Post office.
Okay, post. Wait, teacher Anne will tell you. Here.
Post office.
Oh, wait, what's happening?
Bưu điện nữa hả?
Okay, wait. Why I cannot write it?
Where is a ball of feet? Where? Ah,
Yeah, right here. Post office.
two.
Okay, it is where we send the mail. Okay, okay, where is it? Let's see number 2.
Two.
Are you sure number 2?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Why did you think it's number 2?
It mouth.
Because there is a
Mouth.
mail. Yeah, very good. Because there is a picture of the mail. Oh, yay. Next here. Where's the city hall?
Itiha. Iti.
Where's the city hall? It's the big building where it has 3 flags. There are 3 flags in the building.
3 flat.
Yeah, 3
5.
flags. Okay, number
5.
5. Where is number 5 here? Oh, number 5 is cinema. There are 3 flags. Where are the 3 flags here? You look up. There are a lot of trees and it has a lot of flowers. 3 flags. Look up. Number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number, what's number?
Number 6.
Number 6. Where's number 6? Ah, it's number 6. Where are the flags in number 6? Have you seen a flag in number 6?
Yes.
Where is the flag? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's see the answer. Okay. Where is the train station? Where is the train station? Number?
Train.
Yeah, train station. Where is it?
8.
It's number?
1,
Train.
2, 3.
Train. Where is the train? You know what is train? The train is here.
Oh,
This one above here.
1.
Okay, where is the train station? Number?
In a row.
Number 1. Okay. Post office number 2. Where is the library? It's number 3. Can you find number 3?
Library.
Yeah, it's number 3. Look
3.
at the library. It's number 3. Yeah, big building. Number 3. You know what is library, Huyan?
Yes.
What is library?
Library.
What is that? What place is library?
Read book in English.
Okay. In the library, what will you do in the library?
Read book.
What place is this?
Read
It's the
English book.
place where we read
Place where
books. Books. Okay. What is again library? What is library again? It is
library is in place where we
read books. Again, Huyen, again.
Library. The place where we read books.
Okay, it's the place where we read books. Okay, very good, Huyen. Okay, next one here. Okay, where is, okay. Next is the city hall. The city hall here has 3 flags. Number 4. Look at number 4. Can you see number 4? Can you see number 4? Yeah. The city hall, there are 3 flags. Okay. You know what is city hall?
Okay.
City Hall. A place for the mayor in the city. Okay. A city hall, Huyan, this is the place for the mayor, the leader of the government. This is where they say, this is where they stay, and this is where they work. Okay. If you want to have to go to the government to complain, to ask help, you will go to in the city hall. It's city hall. It's the city. Okay, next.
Okay.
Next one is movie theater. Where's movie theater?
Five.
It's the cinema. Yeah, number 5. You understand cinema or movie theater? You
Yes.
understand? Yeah, very good. Okay. Next one here. You understand movie theater, Huyen?
Meron tulog.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay, exactly. Next. Where is department store? Okay, teacher will erase first.
Không được vẽ mà xem.
Okay.
Khỏi.
Department store.
Đi ra hết.
Number 6. Where is number 6? Oh, here. Can you see number 6?
Is department store.
Oh, you know what is department store?
Number 6.
Okay. You know what is department store? Department store.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Department store. Okay, you know what is that?
Diamond
Oh,
store.
department store. Department store is the place where we can buy things like clothes, like shoes, like like foods, like TV, like all the things we want, we can buy it in department store, like the shoes, the clothes. We can buy it in department store. Oh, do you understand me, Huyen?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next one. Where is the bank? Number 7. You find the bank. Okay, the bank is here. Look at number 7. Can you see the bank?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what is bank? Huyan, you know what is bank? What is bank? What is bank?
It's money.
Okay, what is that? It is where you put your money. Okay. A bank is where you put your money. Yes, exactly. Very good, Huyen. It is the bank where you put your money. Okay. You understand? You understand? Yes. Yeah, very good. A bank is where you put your money. Yeah, you understand now?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, very good, Huyen. Okay. Next one here. Okay. Next is the museum. Okay. Where is the museum? It's number 8. Can you see number 8?
Yes.
Okay. Look at number 8. Number 8, you can see the museum. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. In the museum, you know what is museum? Here, look at teacher. What is that? It is where you can see old things like arts and paintings and other old materials. Okay. Okay, you write it if you have paper, Huyen, you can write it. If you have paper, you can write this one. Yeah, you write this. It is museum. It is where you can see the old things like arts, paintings, and other materials. Hey, you want to write, you can write it. If you want to write, you can copy, write. Okay? You have notebook?
Okay.
Okay. You have notebook?
Yes.
Okay. You can copy if you want. If you like, teacher will tell you to copy that one. Copy, write in your notebook. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, what happened? What happened to Huyan? Okay. Okay, Huyan. Next one here. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, very good. The bank, the city hall. Okay, can you read it? Post office,
Post office.
city hall,
City hall.
library,
Library.
bank,
Bank.
train station,
Train station.
department store,
Department store.
department.
Department store.
Yeah, very good. Movie theater,
Movie theater.
museum.
Museum.
Okay, what is it again? Museum. What is museum?
Museum. You know. Mm,
It is
as in go to the look at the
what is museum? It is an old a place where you can see the old things. Okay. Example, paintings. Okay. If you want to see old paintings, you know paintings, drawing, the drawing, you can find
yes.
it in the museum. Go to the museum, you can find it, the old things. Example, you want to find an old telephone. An old telephone, like telephone, okay? Like old telephone, you will go to the museum, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's move here. Okay, look at this one. Okay, grammar practice. Look at teacher Anne. A book. Okay, here.
A book.
Yeah. A book. Two book.
Book.
A house. Two
A
houses. Okay. One.
says
Many. Okay, Huyan, a book, only one book. Okay? You understand, teacher? Only one book, a book, only one. Okay? Okay? Next, two book. It's two books. A house, two houses. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. It means, Huyan, we use letter S. We use letter S if we are telling about many, more than one, more than one. Do you understand, Huyen?
Yes.
Okay, when I say two books, many books, or two books, two, more than one. When I say houses, two houses, more than one. Do you understand, teacher?
Yes.
Okay, number one. Look at this one. What is your answer for number one?
This is a park.
Okay, very good. This is a park. Why your answer is a park, not parks? Why?
Because it's only one.
Very good. Because as teacher, it's only one. Yay! Good job, Huyan. Number two, Huyan.
There are new star.
There are A new
New
store?
store.
New stores. Yes, this is the correct. New stores. Yay! Number 3.
There is a school.
Yeah, there is a school. Only one. A school. Oh, you understand, Huyen? You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Number 4. We are okay, Huyen, go Huyen.
We are good students.
Okay, we are good. What's the answer?
Students.
Students. Yeah, very good. The answer is this. Why good students? Why?
Of we are is many. So many.
Yay! Very good. Okay, number 5, Huyen. What's your answer? It is a pretty house. Pretty house.
A pretty house.
Yeah. Why it's only a pretty house? Why? Because
Because
why?
is only one.
Very good again. Because teacher, letter or the S is only one. So therefore, my answer is a pretty house and not pretty houses. Okay? You understand? You understand,
Yes.
Huyen? Yay! Okay, here. Thank you. Very. Oh! Okay, Huyen. Okay, wait. I erase this one first. You understand this, Huyen? You understand?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, look at the answer. Oh, oh, very good. Perfect. Yay. Okay, next one here. Okay, look at this one. Okay, now look at this one, Huyen. We will go to the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, we will move to demonstrative pronoun. There is and there are. Okay, now you will tell me, Huyen, if the answer is there is or there are. Okay, there is or there are. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, there is or there are. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now please read number 1. There is, there
There.
are. What's the answer?
There is.
Very good. The answer is there is, teacher. Let's see the answer. Very good, Huyen. Number 2. What is the answer?
There are.
Okay. Why you think or why you say there are? Why?
Because not a. My process is S.
Okay. Why are? Why you say there are? Why your answer is there are? Because
Not a.
not are. Okay. Why? Why? Because buses. Do you think buses?
Asset is top S.
Okay. There is S and it's many. Yeah. Very good. There is S. Huyen. Let's see if your answer is correct. Okay. Here. Look at number 2. Oh, very good, Huyen. Number 3, Huyen. Can you read? There is or there are?
There are.
There are. Very good. Why it's there are? Why your answer is there are? Because
Oh, car.
car. Oh, with S. Very good. Number 4, Huyen.
Mm, mm, there, there are.
There are. Yes, there are tall buildings in our city. There are. Okay, next one. Number 5. Very good. Number 5, Huyen. Go, Huyen. Number 5.
Mm,
What's number 5?
there is.
There is very. Why there is? Why?
Um, because
Because
big,
it is.
not big, not with S. Oh,
Because big theater only one don't have S. No S. Okay? Okay, you understand this, Huyen? You understand? Okay?
yes.
Okay. There is no S. Teacher. Big theater is only one. Again?
Big teacher is only one.
Very good. Yay. Only one teacher. Only one. Okay, great job. Yeah, very good. Okay, next one here. Okay, now look at this one. You will writing practice. Okay, do you have paper there?
Yes.
Paper. Okay, what you are going to do is you will write this. Arrange the word in the paper. Okay, arrange this one in the paper. Do you know the answer? Write in your paper and tell me after you write. You write first in the paper your answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, in the paper you write your answer. Tell me if you are done, Huyen.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, right? Please try to write it and think properly. What is the correct sentence? You have to arrange.
Okay.
You write your answer on the paper.
No, only one.
Okay, number 1.
Three.
Okay, that's number 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Are you done?
No.
Okay, okay.
Well done.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, here. Okay, this one. What is your answer for number 1? Number 1. What is your answer for number 1?
This is our city.
Very good. Number 2, Yan. What's your answer for number 2?
There is a post office.
Very good. Number 3.
There are high buildings.
Very good. Let's see. Wow, very good, Huyen. First, can you read this one? This is our city. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Can you see this one? Look at teacher Anne. Okay. Look at this. This is S. Okay. S because our city only one. Okay? Okay. S. Look at teacher 1, number 2. S. Because why?
Is
Why? Why it's S? Why?
become not is.
Post office. Post
Not
office is
is.
only
One.
one. Don't have S. Don't have S. Huyan, do not say not S. Do not say not S. You will say don't have S. Don't have. Okay, again. Don't have.
Don't have S.
Very good. Again, do not say not S. Okay? Again,
Okay.
don't have S.
Don't have S.
Very good. Next one. Why it's R? Why it's R? Because
Blue
high,
with S.
high buildings, many with S. Okay, you understand? You understand, Huyen?
Yes.
Yay, good job. You understand. Okay, so you have question about this? Do you have question?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let us. Okay. Tomorrow, Huyen. Okay. Okay. You will tell me. Okay, I will give you assignment tomorrow. Okay, look at this one. We will see each other tomorrow. Do we have meeting tomorrow? Okay, for a while, Huyen.
That's a real one.
Yeah. Tomorrow, we will continue this. Again, tomorrow, you will hear. We will continue. We will discuss. Okay? Okay? Okay. I will give you homework tomorrow. Tomorrow, I will give you homework. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Very good, Huyen. Okay. So, we will continue our lesson tomorrow. Okay? Okay, Huyen? Okay. So for now, Teacher Anne will say goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, Huyen.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, see you.
See you
tomorrow. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, that's your sister?
Yes.
Little
My
sister.
sister.
How old? Hi. How old? Hi. How old is your sister?
She is 4 years old.
Oh, and your older sister is how old? She is 11. 11, your older sister.
4.
4, yeah. 4. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, teacher.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.